Hey guys, I'm here at Energy Powersports today to go through some of the 2021 Sea-Doo models. With me today I got Neil.
How you doing, guys?
Energy as well. So today we're going to start off with these 2021 Sea-Doo Sparks. So Neil, why don't you tell us about this one right in front of us right now?
So this is the 3-Up Spark Trixx model. This one has the removable sound on it and the adjustable risers. This has the full exoskeletal shell, and this really allows this to be a very durable and robust machine. Capable of running 3 people on it. We've also got the standard wedges at the back for standing on for when you set that VTS up and want to do some water wheelies. This has the long chassis or extended deck, if you will, on the back.
That's awesome. And we also have another version over here, which is more of the, what would you describe this as?
This is our 3-seater convenience package, and this is this one is going to host the storage up front and the reboarding ladder at the rear as well. And this is also the detachable BRP Connect system.
Beautiful.
Very easy to pull off, waterproof, stays on the water with you, it's not going to sink, and it locks right back in.
Perfect. Well guys, that's it for this quick look at the 2021 Sea-Doo Sparks. I've had a Spark, they're absolutely fantastic. So much fun to get out there on. So definitely come in here to Energy Powersports, check out Neil, check out all the guys, see everything they've got. They can take care of you. So come on here, you're good to go.